Morning. Absolute beautiful morning. Come out here today to make some pine tar. So I'll get all my stuff out of the bag and then we'll talk through it. Absolute beautiful morning. So, pine tar. Making pine tar. Basically, I've got to make a new handle for my bill hook. And instead of buying some oil to oil it up, I thought I'd make some. So, make some pine tar. I can dilute that down with some terps or some linseed oil and then use that for my handle. But not only that, pine tar's got many uses. So, if you're interested, look it up. It's quite useful. Right, so I have an old paint tin. Which I've cleaned out. I set it on fire and then cleaned it out again. I have a load of fat wood. And yes, I brought woods to the woods. Sticks has brought sticks to the sticks. Right, so our first step is to put a hole in the bottom of this. So you want to put a hole in the bottom from the inside out, otherwise the lip will be on the inside and then, yeah, it won't drain. So hole in the bottom, and then we want to concave the bottom in, so it has like a funnel. So I'll crack on with that and I'll bring you back. So, here's me hole. See what I mean about the lip? If that's on the inside, it ain't gonna drain. So, there's a slight dome on the bottom, slightly concaved it, just enough to run. So now, I'm gonna use a metal cup, just an old one, that I melt me wax and stuff in to do me firelighters. But you could use any sort of tin. So this goes into the ground, which I will do, and then I'll bring you back and explain the rest. So now you want to bury your cup, your jar, your tin, whatever it is. You want to bury it so it's level with the ground. Just tuck it in so it doesn't move. Fill it all in. Once you've got all that filled in, what you want to do is fill your tin up with your fat wood. So we'll do that now. Tell you what, I hope I get a decent amount of pine tar. Some pine oil would be nice and all, but I think I'm going to overcook it a little bit, so I'm not going to get any oil. It's all going to go straight to tar, I think. but you never know. You never know. I might get lucky. So we'll see. Right. Pop your lid on there. Some people put a hole in top. Some people don't put a hole in top. I am going to put a hole in top, just so I can see when it stops smoking. That'll do me. And then what you want to do is line that up with your cup, obviously. Make sure it's centered. And then you want to backfill again for about an inch, or up about an inch, just so no flames get underneath and get to that tar. Because I don't know if you've watched my strop making video, well, it shows you how easy pine sap catches the light, and that was only a tablespoon. And that is pretty much it. So now I will stack all that wood up around that tin, set it on fire, and that'll be going for about 2 hours. I might have to go around and collect some more sticks, but yeah, I'm going to be here for about 2.5 hours maybe. No, that's a light. Make myself a coffee. So yeah, like I said, that's going to be going for a couple hours. So I'm going to be sitting it, sinking into the ground for a couple hours. So yeah, I'm just going to chill out. I've got a couple videos of Life's a Hobby and Bosan Bushcraft. I've been saving those. I haven't watched them because I knew I'd be doing this. I'll leave the links in the description if you fancy checking them out. Bosan Bushcraft, Bosan Dan, he's actually got a video similar to this on birch oil. Very good video. You should go and check it out. So yeah, I'll sit here having my coffee. Once this is done, I'll bring this back. See the smoke coming out of the middle? So when that smoke stops coming out of the middle, it's done. It's pretty much the same process of making char cloth or charcoal. We are actually making charcoal today as well. The only difference is the funnel system underneath. Let them embers die down. Let that smoke stop. And we should be about done. Moment of truth. We got oil. Let's take a closer look at that. Weren't expecting to get this much, to be fair. As you can tell. So I am happy with that result. I am happy with that. And that is how you make pine tar and pine oil. Hopefully that will separate by itself and I'll end up with tar and oil separate. Looks like it's separating already. Look at the bottom of it. Result. That is a pucker result. I need to find somewhere to put that. I have to find a container somewhere. Happy, happy, happy. Right, let's see how my charcoal come out then. I am proper happy with that result of the oil, I tell you. Proper happy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Some fat wood charcoal. Don't know what I'm going to use that for, but I'll keep that. I'm happy today, I tell you. So that's me pine tar. Proper happy with the results that I got today. I wasn't expecting that much. I was expecting half this jar, but instead I filled it and I reckon I can fill another one. I just got to get it home. Hopefully I'll find a plastic bottle of water or something like that. But yeah, that will do me for a while. Wood stain, waterproofing and some glue. That's what I'll use it for. But like I said, there's many things you can use it for, so Google it, check it up. Yeah, that's pretty much my video for today. Really enjoyed myself today. Had a pucker morning, absolute beautiful morning. And yeah, like I said, happy with my results. So, as always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, I've got to carry this for bloody 2 miles. Oh yeah. Leave no trace. Leave no trace. Where was my fire? Where was it? It was there. That's where my fire was. Right there. Leave no trace.